Have you ever enjoyed the amazing experience of cooking on a Himalayan salt block? If you haven't, try it now. You'll be amazed to see how much fun it is. Take your Himalayan salt slab and slowly bring it up to temperature. Once it reaches your desired temperature, you are ready to slide on a huge variety of different foods. They'll dance around on the sizzling hot Himalayan salt slab for a couple of minutes and absorb some salt from the rock. Once the food is cooked, you will enjoy the unique flavor you can achieve only by cooking on the salt block. The salt blocks are partially transparent, so they look incredible when you put a couple of candles under it. This will truly light up the mood at your upcoming party.